Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a nose sketch step by step. Begin by drawing a large, central sphere to represent the main mass of the nose tip. Next, place two smaller, oval shapes on either side of this central sphere, which will become your nostrils. Lightly sketch connecting lines from the top of the central sphere down to these smaller ovals, establishing the initial bridge and base of the nose. This foundational step is crucial for accurate proportions. Now let's refine the structure. Draw two lines extending upwards from the top of your central sphere, forming the bridge of the nose and connecting towards the brow area. Next, carefully outline the alar cartilages, which are the soft, fleshy parts around the nostrils, using gentle curved lines. Once you are satisfied with the overall shape, lightly erase any initial construction lines that are no longer needed, making your sketch clearer. With the basic structure in place, it's time for details. Carefully draw the actual openings of the nostrils, giving them a sense of depth and thickness. Observe how light falls on a nose and add subtle creases or folds, especially where the nose meets the cheek, to enhance realism. Start applying very light shading to indicate the planes and curves of the nose, beginning to give it a three-dimensional appearance on your two-dimensional paper. For the final touches, focus on shading and highlights. Gradually deepen the shadows, particularly under the nose tip and within the nostril openings, to create strong contrast and definition. Use an eraser to lift pigment and create bright highlights on the bridge and tip of the nose, mimicking reflected light. Blend your shading smoothly for a polished look. Remember to check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep sketching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.